we have 2004 Chevy Impala. Customer came in with a couple issues. He said the high beam doesn't work, and also his blinker doesn't work. It's flashing fast and also dim, no parking light, and on his dashboard the two green indication light stays on all the time. Let's find out why it's doing it. See these two green indication lights, they stay lit. That doesn't go out. When you start the car, it stays lit like that all the time. So if I do hazard or blinker, it's flashing both sides fast like that, and outside bulb, both sides flashing fast as well. Alright, so let's figure it out what the trouble is. As you can see, those flashing fast when I do the turn signal. So to take the headlights out, I wish everybody's using same techniques. Those two white clips back of the headlights, you simply pull up, then pull toward to the rear, and that comes out, that release the locking pins for the headlights. Then once you've done that, the entire headlight comes forward like that. See how simple is that? Why can't everybody do the same thing? All right, we already have a driver's side out, so we're going to find out why it's doing it. On the left-hand side corner, right-hand side corner rather, there is a turn signal, parking light, all-in-one, that amber light. You just twist it counterclockwise, it comes out. There are three wires. One is white yellow, one is white black, then a black wire. The black wire is ground. And let's check to see if there is a ground pulse on that black wire. So we're just using razor blade to cut through the insulation and touch the copper wire, and my test light should show ground. Alright, so we're going to shoot ground pulse to that black wire. As you can see, the parking light came on. Before, the parking light wasn't working, didn't have a high beam, and also did not have flashing lights either. So he's trying to make a contact right there, it's flashing on and off. Right, so we got the ground connected. If I do turn signal, you gotta have a key in the ignition. So once we put the key in the ignition, do the turn signal, as you can see, it flashes left and flashes right if I do it right turn signal. So we know the ground is missing. So we're gonna do this simple ways. The right way is, of course, to change out the harness. We're not going to do that. This is the same connection that's inside of that headlights. The black wire on the top, that is the ground pulse. Same wire. As you can see, it's 11 volt, just like the other black wire on that parking light. So if I shoot ground pulse to it, as you can see, the parking light comes on. So rather than replacing that entire harness, there is a ground, factory ground, right behind the radiator toward the front. That 10 mil bolt, that is a factory ground wire. So we're just going to tap ground wire from there over to this black wire, and that's going to be an easy fix. Of course, the right way is to replace the entire harness. That's going to cost a lot of money. That all that rust, corrosion somewhere, wire is definitely cut. But we're just going to simply tap the ground wire to that black wire, to this 10 mil factory bolt, and everything's going to be fine. So we did that. It works. So we put a ground yellow right here to that black wire I showed you on the back of the plug. Once you've done that, the high beam works, blinker works, no more indication on the dashboard, is it? Didn't work before. That works. The parking light works as well.